Hello fam, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this amazing fat burner drink recipe, and I would admonish you all to stay till the end because I'm going to be sharing a secret ingredient that is a deal breaker for me. So firstly, I will need to wash all of my fruits and my hands properly, and then I proceed to slicing the cucumbers, which is very low in calorie and has lots of vitamin C and K, and it's also a great food that promotes weight loss and fat burning activities in the body. Next is my orange. I'm going to be slicing this orange, and I am going to be adding the back of the orange because the peels of orange to contain high amount of antioxidants and vitamins that actually reduce soreness and promote fat burning processes in the body, and all of these are going to be transferred into a plate that has a lid. So if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome to you, and if you're a returning subscriber, I also want to welcome you. Please do not leave this channel until you have subscribed. Please click the subscribe button and join this healthy family, and also click the like button and give us a thumbs up for this video. We will appreciate your support. Next, I will also slice my lemon, and also lemons are actually very rich in antioxidants, and they are great in detoxifying your body as well as burning the fat in stubborn areas like your tummy, your hams, and even the one in your thigh. Also note that lime should not be used as a substitute for lemons for this recipe, but you can use both if you choose to, and try as much as possible to ensure that all are properly squeezed before dropping it into the plate. And then I proceed to grating my ginger. So like I said, just a reminder, I am not peeling off any of the back, so I am grating the ginger with my manual grater, and I have shared a video on so many ways I could use this grater. And please, you can also blend this instead of doing the manual process, and this is really easy. So I'm going to be adding the grated ginger into the plates. Also, kindly be moderate in the quantity of ginger you add to this recipe, as excessive consumption of ginger could result into heartburn and bowel discomfort. And after that, I have already gotten some water boiled, so I'm going to be adding the boiled water because I do not want to boil this content directly on my fire. And make sure you add to the extent that it can actually submerge all of the fruit, and I use my spatula to ensure that all of it are properly soaked. And if you haven't clicked the like button up till now, please simply click on that button, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel for more healthy stuff. For the process of this to be highly effective, you need to allow it sit overnight, and this is exactly how it will look. Wow, this recipe is a no diet, no exercise, result oriented recipe. And the next thing I simply do is to sieve out the juice of this recipe. Please let me gist a little about some things that might not allow this recipe to work. If you are addicted to late night food, please, you would need to stop it if you must get an effective result from this recipe. And also, if you eat high calorie dense food, you would need to actually minimize that for you to have a very effective result. So this is the juice of the recipe, and I simply turn it into a glass cup, and you can store the remaining in the fridge. Having arrived at this phase, the last ingredient that is a deal breaker for me is honey, and I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of honey to a cup of this. And the fun fact about honey is that when you consume honey, your body actually begins to burn more fat, and I can tell you, even the fat in areas like your abdomen and arm are simply going to be burnt out. Simply drink this first thing in the morning before you begin your meal, and last thing at night before you go to bed for a most effective result. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you're to reuse this residue. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.